Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you on a full tour of a remodeled room in the Casitas section at Coronado Springs. We hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, let's get started. And you're going to hear Liam in the background because we're here for a really fun stay here.
Yeah.
Yes, well tell them what that is.
What is that you got there?
This is for me.
That is for you. Okay. So we just got here, and already we're noticing, so we stayed here several years ago, Jen and I did with Mom and Dad. Already we're noticing the updated decor. I don't know exactly when these were remodeled, but it's really nice. And we love the style of the room. It's pretty amazing. So of course, we've got the Mickey towel decoration here, which is nice. We've got a letter from the general manager explaining all the construction that's going on here. And of course, we have it. Walt Disney says it was all started by a mouse, and that is so true. But what's really cool here is we've got these pictures that actually are the three caballeros. So you can see silhouettes of the three caballeros here, which is really fun. Looks like a three caballero trying to get a lady to dance, which is really neat. And so this is the standard room with two queen-size beds. So you've got the two queen-size beds here. You've got this really nice contemporary desk and dresser area. You've got the coffee maker. And again, another neat picture with the cacti and also the three caballeros. And I'm assuming in here is going to be a refrigerator, and it is. So you've got a refrigerator. So if that's a question that you have, whether these rooms have refrigerators or not, they do. No microwave or anything, but this is a nice refrigerator. Have the window and the door so you can see what's in there. And of course the Keurig loaded up with some coffee there. So you've got some Joffrey's and coffee and some Twinings tea. So that's really cool. Got your ice bucket and glasses here. And of course you've got the Resort TV on the TV there. You can hear Liam in the background. He's having fun. He's got two magic bands over there. And you've got your drawers, of course, 6 drawers, all empty. And if you get adjoining rooms, there's the door for the adjoining rooms. Well, it's really cool, and I really like these sliding doors here, because if part of the room, part of the family is still sleeping, and you want to close these doors so somebody can get ready either late at night or early in the morning, you can actually close these doors. It's kind of, ooh, sorry, almost smashed my finger. It's kind of barn door style here, which is really neat. So you can close that and kind of block the noise and the light. You can even tell right now that the fan noise is dampened, and I don't even have it completely closed. So that's a really cool feature. I don't remember that being in the rooms, although they might have been. But definitely these have been remodeled. And this is a little bit more informal tour than we normally do, because we've got little man Liam here enjoying checking out the room. But we're staying here just for fun as a family, and I thought it would be fun to just do a real quick kind of impromptu tour here. Hello, got my Galaxy's Edge shirt on. And this is the sink area, and it's very cool that we've got 2 sinks here. I know a lot of rooms do have that now, but you've got 2 sinks, very contemporary sink basins, really nice. And then you've got this little closet area here with a place to hang your clothes, and also an iron and ironing board. And that's really cool too. This is a convention center, and since it is a convention center, you want to have a place to hang your dress clothes and iron them if needed. And another thing that Steph just pointed out is there's a lot more storage than a traditional room. And of course, this is a moderate resort. It's not a deluxe resort, but you've got the little cabinet here and multiple shelves. That one's pretty high, but still it's there. And you've got an outlet there and one over here. So you got 2 outlets for the sink. I really love the way the mirror is lit from the border of the mirror itself, which is really cool. You've got the normal H2O Disney products, complimentary for your bath and shower accessories. And then the one thing we did notice too, and let me turn the fan off here if I can. There we go, I got the fan off so there's not quite so much noise in the background there, but actually this is, a lot of the rooms now have these little sensor timers, so you can't leave the fan on all night. They will go off if there's no motion detected in the room. But one thing we noticed is that it's just a shower in here. So that might pose an issue for those with little ones that want to do bath time. It would have to be a shower. It's a nice big shower. It's got the one door here. You've also got the big bottles of shampoo there, which of course you can't take those with you. and you've got a place for all your shower gear, and you've also got a couple different shower heads there. You've got the wand if you need to use that, and the little shelf there as well. So really nice big area, and again, very contemporary. I keep saying that, but it is, and I like the styling of it. It's very well updated. And of course, the toilet shower area does have a little sliding door here as well. All right, well, that's about all for now for our full tour of an updated room here in the Casitas section of the Coronado Springs Resort here at Walt Disney World. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Right, Liam?
Right.
Okay. And please make sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And finally, please be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida to be closer to Walt Disney World, talk to Realtor Victor Naraki at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/NarakiRealtor and tell him that Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.